Next, we are approximating the mean given a grouped frequency distribution of a sample. So we want to find the sum of the products of the class midpoints and their frequencies, and then divide this by the sum of the frequencies of the classes. So x bar is equal to sigma mf. So m is the class midpoint, and to find that we want to take the lower limit plus the upper limit and divide by 2. So m times f, and then add those up, and then divide that by the sum of the frequencies. This frequency distribution represents the highway mileage for 30 different cars. So we need to first calculate the midpoints of each of these classes. So now, instead of having these ranges of numbers, I'm just using the midpoints. And that's really why this is an approximation of the mean, because I'm just using the midpoint of these classes to estimate the data. Now I want to multiply each of the midpoints by the frequencies, then add these up, and then divide this by the sum of the frequencies. And this is equal to 1085 over 30, which is 36.2.